Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth. Ensure you're working in a well-lit area to avoid any mistakes. First, turn off your Conga 5490 and unplug it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, locate the screws on the back of the Conga. There should be 4 Phillips screws that secure the back cover. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you remove the cover, gently lift it from the device, applying a little pressure if it feels stuck. Once the cover is off, you'll see the internal components of your Conga 5490. Take a moment to use your microfiber cloth to clean any dust or debris inside. This will help maintain the performance of your device and ensure longevity. Now, locate the battery. It's typically secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. If you're unsure about the battery's position, refer to the product manual, or remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you need further assistance. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery from its connector. Be cautious not to damage any wires in this process. If you find it difficult, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get help without any hassle. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector from which you removed the old one. Ensure it's snugly fitted and secure. If you have any concerns about the installation, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, as we can assist you in ensuring everything is done correctly. After connecting the new battery, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Then, carefully position the back cover onto the device and reinsert the 4 screws, ensuring it's tightly fastened. This will prevent any rattling or movement during operation. Once everything is secured, it's time to power on your Conga 5490. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new battery is functioning properly. If you experience any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We can help you remotely to diagnose the problem. Finally, take a moment to dispose of the old battery responsibly, as it contains materials that can be harmful to the environment. Check local guidelines for battery disposal. And that's it. You successfully changed the battery in your Conga 5490. This simple process can save you money and extend the lifespan of your device. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.